Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on Instagram with 0 followers, and see if I can prove that anyone can do it. Making money on Instagram. It sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that it's not just a dream? It's a reality that's achievable no matter how many followers you have. In fact, I'm about to show you that with the right strategies, you can start making money on Instagram today, regardless of your follower count. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about making money on Instagram is that you need a massive following to be successful. I've heard people say, if I only had 100,000 followers, I could make a living off Instagram. But the truth is, having a large following doesn't automatically mean you'll make money. In fact, I've seen accounts with millions of followers who aren't making a dime. So what's the secret? The reality is that making money on Instagram has nothing to do with your follower count, and everything to do with your ability to provide value to your audience. Whether you have 10 followers or 10 million, if you can provide value, you can make money. But most people don't know where to start. They think that because they don't have a huge following, they can't possibly make money on Instagram. So how do you provide value and start making money on Instagram, regardless of your follower count? Well, there are several strategies you can use, from affiliate marketing to selling products and offering services. The key is to find what works for you and your audience, and to be consistent. For example, if you're great at taking photos, you could offer your services as a photographer. Or if you have a talent for makeup, you could create your own line of makeup products. One of the most effective ways to monetize your Instagram is through affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with a brand to promote their products, and you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win for both you and the brand, and it's a great way to start making money on Instagram, even with a small following. Another way to monetize your Instagram is by selling your own products. This could be anything from digital products, like ebooks or courses, to physical products, like t-shirts or jewelry. The key is to create products that your audience wants and needs, and to promote them effectively on your Instagram page. But what if you don't have any products to sell? That's okay! You can still make money on Instagram by offering services. This could be anything from consulting to coaching to freelance writing or design. The key is to identify your strengths and skills, and to offer services that solve a problem for your audience. Like and share this video for more. So how do I know that these strategies work? Well, I want to share a case study with you. I know someone who had fewer than 1,000 followers on Instagram, but was able to make over $1,000 per month through affiliate marketing. She was able to do this by creating high-quality content, engaging with her audience, and promoting products that she loved and believed in. And the best part is that she was able to do it all without spending a dime on advertising. She started by creating content around her passion for fashion, and slowly but surely, her following started to grow. She then partnered with a few brands to promote their products, and started earning a commission for each sale made through her unique referral link. It wasn't long before she was making a full-time income from her Instagram page. So what can we learn from this success story? First, it shows us that making money on Instagram is possible, even with a small following. Second, it shows us the importance of creating high-quality content and engaging with our audience. And third, it shows us that with the right strategies, we can turn our passion into a profitable business. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Making money on Instagram is not just for influencers with large followings. Anyone can do it, regardless of their follower count. The key is to provide value to your audience and to be consistent in your efforts. Whether you're just starting out or you've been on Instagram for years, I hope this video has shown you that making money on Instagram is within your reach. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about advanced Instagram marketing techniques, be sure to check out my next video.